Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, before I say anything about defense, I would like to congratulate the Home Ministry on the splendid work it has done in connection with the improvement of the condition of the scheduled caste and scheduled tribes. The present Home Minister and his ministry are not spending money on good scheme as used to be done in the past. They have got very many schemes, and those schemes are really worth spending lot of money. They are really for the benefit of these communities. I was going to ask the Home Ministry to set up a separate fund for the construction of houses for these communities, since the ministry concerned with housing had completely neglected this problem which is facing these communities. Even the Planning Commission in the last 5-year plan has not done much in this regard. I think even in the second 5 plan, there is no definite plan for providing housing facilities for the scheduled caste and scheduled tribes. But since the Home Ministry has compromised that he is going to constitute a board, but to go into these things, I do not think there is any need for me to stress this point anymore about the board which is going to be constituted. I would definitely like to say a few words. This board, I believe in going to consist of some members of the Harijan communities and also a number of members belonging to non-Harijan communities. In any case, I would very much like that this board will, which will of course function under the Home Ministry, should have as its chairman a non-Harijan. I want to stress this point because I know that in the sum of the states where the portfolio of Harijan welfare is given to a Harijan minister, he is not able to do his work properly. It is not because he cannot do it. It is not that he is not efficient enough to do it, but because every time he speaks about the welfare of scheduled caste and measure to be taken to improve their condition, he is generally looked down by the other members of the cabinet as a communalist if the same thing is done by a member belonging to a non-Harijan community. He will be considered to be doing a national service. Therefore, the chairmanship should go to a non-Harijan.